Hello everybody, it's Sally here from the Aussie Link. This video today is not about coaching. It's my Christmas gift to you. It's all about no pressure, no fixing, just permission to rest, enjoy and be present over this Christmas time. It's just a few little areas I want to talk about just to help you through the Christmas period. So it's talking about arriving in the moment. What does slowing down at Christmas help you notice again? So for me, it's like a change in pace during the holidays. It's being more present with my family and friends. We all have jobs and work and things we have to do through every single day of our lives. But at Christmas time, this is when we have a few days off, hopefully, with our work, and we can spend time with our family and friends and relax and be present with them. It's really, really important to be present with our family and friends. I would say as often as you can, but even more so at Christmas time. It doesn't matter what type of year that you've had this year, be it good, bad, or indifferent. It's all about being with the people that you love and you care about. That could be family, that could be friends, it could be a dog, it could be anything, but you just have to be present and in the moment at Christmas time. It's noticing these simple moments, having conversation with people, having a laugh, which is something very important to me, and also having some quiet time to yourself as well, even if that just ends up being 10 minutes or so, because obviously at Christmas time when everybody gets together, it can be a little bit chaotic. But just remember, be present, enjoy at the moment, enjoy every single second if you can. So it's allowing yourself to basically arrive wherever you're going instead of rushing and just enjoying the moment. I also want to talk a little bit about having presence over pressure. So what changes when we let go of making Christmas perfect? Now, be you a man, woman, or whatever gender you are, what stress do you put on yourself when you're trying to make the most amazing Christmas ever? Does it always work out? Is it perfect? Is anything perfect? No, I would say. As you know, I always talk about progression as opposed to perfection. If you are a perfectionist and you're always looking for everything to be exactly right, it will never be. It will never, ever, ever be. So it's all about making progression. And when it comes to Christmas time, it's, as I said just before, it's all about being with the people that you love and care about. You don't have to be perfect. Your Christmas decorations don't have to be perfect. Your Christmas meal doesn't have to be perfect. If your chicken or turkey comes out the oven and it's burnt to a crisp, it doesn't matter. Laugh about it. It's all about being with your family and friends and enjoying this time together. It's togetherness and being present. It's not about being perfect. So release any expectations you have of yourself and others at Christmas time. Go with the flow and enjoy every moment. Let enough be enough. You don't need to have this and that and go absolutely crazy. Being with people that matter to you is more important than doing hundreds of different things. So being with the people that matter to you at this time of year. And also, I'd like you to think about having this rest, this little break now, even if it ends up just being 1, 2, 3, 4 days for yourself, whatever it is, you're not being indulgent, it's necessary. Of course, we work, we have all these things that we have to do throughout the year, but it's also very, very important to take time out for ourselves, be that at the weekend or whenever. But as I say, I don't want to coach today. Today is all about talking about Christmas, enjoying ourselves and being with the people we love. So look upon this break as restoration for yourself. It's not laziness. You're not being a lazy person. You are restoring yourself. And how wonderful is that? I want you to share this enjoyment, have this enjoyment, and don't feel any guilt whatsoever. Give yourself permission to slow down. If you want to be like a snail, you can be like a snail. If you want to be like a tortoise, you can be like a tortoise. It's all about slowing down and enjoying this moment. And carry this calmer energy that you're going to create now over Christmas, and you can take it beyond the holidays. So after Christmas and the New Year, you can come back feeling all refreshed, but at the same time having this lovely calm energy. So as I say, this is my Christmas gift to all of you, and I hope that you have a wonderful Christmas, and I'll be back soon on the Leslie Link channel. Thank you very much and Merry Christmas.